Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. All right, daily chart. Look, we're still consolidating. And we're consolidating for two reasons. Number one, we get above 3,900, the bulls get spooked. You get down around 3,820 to 3,800, the bears get spooked. So they've found this 100 to 125 handle chunk of price that they want to knock around in until they figure out jobs report, I guess, maybe another CPI, PPI. But look, here we are in, 3,800 to 3,925 land. I meant what I said down there, if you deal, whoever wins this chunk of price that is going back now effectively to December 16th, whoever wins this chunk of price is probably that's going to be your next leg. That's going to be what the first quarter of 2023 ends up being about. So, the first week of January continues to be on the slower side. Plenty of vol. I'm not complaining. As a trader, I am not complaining. We ended up in some really nice ones yesterday, long and short. 20, 30 handle stuff. It was great. But if you're looking for the thing to commit directionally, you might have to wait till after Friday. You might have to wait till next week and see how some other things pan out. It still continues to want to deal with the 9-day. I stopped counting how many times the thing wants to trade 38.62 on the mini. So here's your hourly chart. And here this is last Tuesday. Here's today. And we're here. And what is it on either side of? Weekly pivot, whether you're talking about this week or last week. And here's your 9-day. 50 caps it. Bears hate the roundy. Bulls hate this roundy. And here we are. Pack a lunch. I mean, I don't know what to say. It's don't fall into the trap of today's the day, we have to do X today. No, we don't. We don't have to do a damn thing. The market will open. It will do what it's going to do. Don't start projecting your views on this range because deep down you want it to do whatever. Don't do it. You're much better off just trading what you see and going from there. You can see on the hourly, it's kind of a triangle deal, right? Going there, going up here. It's all centered here. And, we'll get a resolution. You can see the Bollinger Bandwidth is starting to come down. 2.88 on the hourly is not all that big of a deal. I mean, you saw some real serious compression, heading into New Year's. At that point, it was what? 0.45? So I can't get excited about Bollinger Bandwidth right now. We're in a range. We're not really in a consolidation on shorter term time frames. On the daily, we are. So what else do we have going on? You got hourly mid, basically 71. You have volume weighted average price 70.5. Our proprietary moving average sitting up 76.5. Your 9 days at 56 and change. It's right there with the weekly pivot. ADP just came out, plus 235 versus plus 150. Tape kind of like that, didn't like that. They just bounced it right off a weekly pivot down at 38.58. It's all right. I wasn't planning on trading that anyway. So there's another test to the bottom of this range. So if you're the bears, look, can you convert the 9-day? Can you take out yesterday's low? How about you Velcro your shoes up, hop on your big wheel, put your helmet on, and go take out the week's low? If not, just expect more of the same, at least into jobs tomorrow. Just understand your expectations and what this tape is capable of and not capable of. And understand, too, that it's only going to take one headline to break it loose, either up or down, most likely down. So, take your profits where you find them, respect risk, and understand that the thing is going to be jammed up until some piece of news or some data point shakes it loose. Just had ADP. That got you a move to here. Now, maybe they follow through to the downside, but I'm glad I was doing this right now because it's a good illustration of what the tape has been doing. It's been going down to these big areas and they have been holding, or it goes up to a big area and it holds. So, all right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. Come check out the room. All the best. Talk to you tomorrow.